good evening!
Maayong
Gabi!
gabi!
So tonight, we are going to show you how we make our simple spaghetti. It's European style, Western style.
Wait, aren't we going to use the Filipino style sweet spaghetti?
No, I don't.
Not today? Okay.
So you say it's European or?
Well, I think it's Western. I don't know. It's just spaghetti sauce, beef.
So this is how we do it.
Mm-hmm.
This is how we make spaghetti, our way. So I think most ways also. So like we boil water, and these are the stuff we use. Oh, we already. We have. So I really like this brand, Barilla.
Yeah.
It's number 5. So Barilla and 5. This is the, what do you call it? Pasta. So this is the pasta.
Noodles.
Yeah, spaghetti noodles. So this is what I use, Barilla. And tapos ground meat. I think it's whatever meat you like. You can also use pork if you
Yeah,
like.
so we use the lean ground beef because it has less fat, which means more meat. And whenever we cook this, we don't want really the fat to... It's not good for spaghetti, so lean ground beef.
And then mascarpone. You can use like any brand for this one. Like we don't. The one we use is the I can't even pronounce it.
It's basically just a cheese spread.
Yeah. And then mascarpone. And then also Barilla brand for the sauce also. And then we mix the mascarpone and the what do you call this? The sauce, the tomato sauce all together for the sauce for the spaghetti. We usually boil it for
10 minutes.
as long as
Yeah, it says on the package 10 minutes.
yeah. We boil the spaghetti for 10 minutes.
Which is actually very accurate. It's very accurate. So. And if you can't find this, I think cream cheese will be a good substitute for it.
Really?
Possibly. I mean, I don't know. I've never tried it. But she really likes to have whole noodles. We don't break them before we put them in. We
Yeah.
just-
You can use any size of the pan you like. So kahit ano lang. Ano ba?
Get rid of the boublés.
You don't need to set a time to cook the beef. You just have to, you know, make sure that it doesn't burn. We don't really put anything on the beef. It's just a plain one. It doesn't have any salt or pepper. It's plain. It's what do you call it? Blend?
Yeah, bland, I guess.
It's
There's no
bland.
seasoning.
So it doesn't matter because the sauce will be mixed into it once it's cooked.
Yeah.
So hindi ako gumagawa ng Filipino spaghetti kasi hindi ako marunong yung minatamis na spaghetti. I'm only doing their style of spaghetti.
Western style.
Yeah, Western style. So it tastes like soury. Like it's not sweet.
More tomatoey. It's
Yeah.
not super sweet.
So I'm not doing. We also have the Filipino sauce, but I just don't trust myself doing Filipino spaghetti because I tried making it back then, like a long time ago, whenever I was in college, and I didn't do well at all. So I don't want to try again. I don't want to mess up. So we bought that one from Chinese supermarket.
Yeah, we're not using this one though. We're using this one for now. Well, focus.
There we go. So our beef, it's done. We just have to remove the excess water from it.
All the oils and stuff.
Yeah.
What little fat was in there, that's all.
I don't mind, but I think Corbin usually removes it, so I'm removing it.
If we don't drain it, I think the spaghetti will just be too greasy.
You don't have to remove all of the oil or like excess liquid in there. Just remove a little bit of it or whatever you like. But me, I didn't remove all of it. Just, you know. And now, the beef, it's still here, and then we're heating it up again. But we're gonna put the sauce, the tomato sauce. This one's tomato and basil. Then after we put the sauce, we'll just have to, you know, make it a little bit warm, and then we can mix the mascarpone. Whenever you're cooking the sauce, make sure, if you're going to leave, make sure you put a cover. Takpan po natin siya kasi it, you know, splats. Nag-ano siya.
Yeah. Yeah, so you want to wait until this is nice and warm before you add this, so that that would melt into it.
Don't we have this one? You also have to wait. This is a thick one. Mascarpone is thick, so you have to. We're already putting some, and it actually you have to wait for it to melt inside.
Parmesan.
So we're done with our spaghetti. We're done making the spaghetti. I'll show you. That's our pizza. I'm not gonna eat pizza. Maybe I will. Maybe I will. It's a leftover pizza from last night. It's a pepperoni pizza. Strawberry ice cream, banana fruit,
and strawberry fruit.
And then all mixed together. And a little bit of milk.
Yeah.
And there's only a little bit left also.
It's really good.
Yeah.
I couldn't wait.
So again, just a ground beef, just any meat, like ground meat. But for us, we use beef. You cook it. We don't put any seasonings on it. And then once it's done, we put the tomato sauce and then the mascarpone all together. And you have to make sure like it's all warmed up and stuff. And then for the spaghetti noodle, we cook it for 10 minutes. And yeah, that's it. Yeah, try to look for the mascarpone because it's very, like, I really like the mascarpone. Like, it really adds up for the taste.
It gives it a creamy flavor, I think.
Yeah, it does. So that's it. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.